Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we are going to talk about free Canva alternative powered by AI. This is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And now let's dive right in. So this free Canva alternative is what we call the Adobe Express. This is actually for free, but if you do also want to use their premium features, then you could also look for their plans. So here's actually an example of what I did with the free Canva alternative here in Adobe Express. So in order to get started, all you need to do is to click on the Get Started button, and then basically you need to have or sign in to your Adobe Express account. As for me, I have already signed in or logged into my Adobe Express. That's why it automatically routes me into the Adobe Express section. Now you could actually make social media, video, photo, document, and marketing. And there's also the generative AI. Say for example, we're gonna make a social media post. I'm gonna make a Pinterest, basically a pin, but I'm gonna use the Facebook post right here, and we're gonna create from scratch. Now to get started, all we need to do is to click on text to image. I'm gonna start off with the object first, and then here I am going to click on the square, okay, and then hit on agree. Now what we're going to do is to tell us what image we would like to create. So say for example, I would like to generate a yellow Sunday dress, which would be used for my pinboard. Now here below you can see the content type. There you can see photo, and then there's also the style. So you just need to choose from those if you would want to, but basically I'm gonna go with the simple one. So there, now we have generated like photos of yellow Sunday dresses. We can actually scroll down here in the left hand side the results. So you can actually see a couple of choices in here. Now if you want to be more specific, you can add more like description onto your generative text. Okay, now I am going to simply remove the background. There, just click on the image and hit on the remove background here in the panel in the left hand side, and let me just resize it accordingly to my liking. Okay, now that we have created the object or the main subject of our Pinterest board, what we're going to do is that we're going to add a background. You can choose a background color if you would want to, which you can actually add in the panel here above. And then here we could go back to our photos section and we could look for a background. So say for example, I would like to have a pastel background, and then it will generate pastel backgrounds of my choice, or if like I can choose from. If you can see this crown button in the lower right hand corner of the picture, it means to say that it's only available for premium. Now I would like to use this photo right here, so I'm going to simply resize this one first, since there is no set as background, kind of prompt when we right click onto the image. So I'm gonna send this backwards, and basically that's how it would look like. Now here you could also have like a text to image for the media, if you want to be more specific about what you want to have for your background, and you could also add some music. So a while ago, during the beginning of the video, you actually heard a music being added onto the photo or this result of our generative AI. So there I have added a French type of audio, right? So what we want to have is we're gonna add a text simply just add Sunday dresses right here. There, you could also go to the recommended section in order for you to see more choices of what you can choose from. However, in my end, since the connection is not that good, the recommendation takes a long time for it to load. So make sure that your connection is good and running so that it wouldn't cause any types of delay on your end in editing your your photo or your content basically. Now I'm just gonna simply type in sunny Sunday dresses right here, since I'm gonna add this onto my Pinterest account. And then afterwards, what we're going to do is to simply click on the text, and then below you can actually see text effects. Also here above, there are actually recommendation of what kind of text styles that we can have for this certain image that we are creating, or this certain content or post we are creating. So there, I'm gonna have this one which is classy. So there, if you click on a premium, there would be a prompt that would ask you to upgrade. If you would want to upgrade, then it's up to you already, guys. Then you can go. So if you upgrade to the premium, there are a lot of options that you can choose from. Now you could also choose dynamic or default if you would want to. In the dynamic section, there are actually like different kinds of fonts that you could also choose from. However, as for me, I'm already good with what I have a while ago, so I'm gonna undo that and we're gonna stick to this one. Alright, now here in the text effects section, you can actually see like kinds of effects that you would want to add onto your text. So say for example, neon, embellished and realistic, whatnot. Now here you could also tell, or we can let the AI generate what effect we would like to achieve. So say for instance, we have fancy right here. So with the fancy text, here are the results below. I'm going to simply like choose from these kinds if I would like to simply add this fancy text there. And basically it will be added once you click on the type of text effect that you would like to have. Okay. So there. What's good about Adobe Express is that it is generated by AI. So basically what you're looking for is very easy to look for. And now I'm gonna add some animation to my text. So you can just click or select different kinds of animations that you would like to be added onto your video or onto your posting. Then there. Alright, and there you have it. So this is the final result of my Pinterest video. Now if you want to download, you can actually choose what type of file format you have, and also like for the video resolution, since we have the MP4, we can choose from 720 to 1040 for this one. And it may take some time to download. Just make sure that your connection is good and running so that your download would be easy and fast. Now let me show you again the end result of what I have created here in Adobe Express. For today's video, thank you so much for watching. Hope you find this tutorial helpful. See you in the next one. Bye!